How to harness a newborn baby in their car seat. Prepare the seat by unbuckling and loosening the straps and putting the carry handle in the stand position so the seat does not tip over. Then lower your baby bum first into the seat crease, letting their back lay flat along the back of the car seat. Bring the harness straps over the baby's shoulders and fasten both buckle tongues and the chest clip. You may need to gently guide baby's legs out of that newborn froggy position. Now we're going to make the harness nice and snug. First, we're going to get the slack out of the hips. Grab the chest clip and pull up to remove that slack around the hips. Once that hip slack is removed, grab the adjuster strap by the baby's feet and pull to tighten. Make sure the chest clip is at the baby's armpit level and tighten the harness until it passes the pinch test. When you take the pinch test, you should not be able to pinch any webbing at the child's shoulders. So the harness is snug around the hips, taut up the front, and cannot be pinched at the child's shoulder. Now your baby is ready to go. Always leave the harness snug and fully buckled until you are ready to remove baby from the car seat.